Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an instant version of the mini Jangiri recipe for you to try this Diwali. No need to worry about soaking or grinding for this one. Let's get into the recipe now. Take 1 cup of black gram flour, also known as ulunthu maavu in Tamil and Urad flour in Hindi. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1/8 teaspoon of edible color, preferably orange, but I used yellow, a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well. Now add water little by little to form a thick and fluffy paste. Beat well each time to make it nice and airy. Meanwhile, take 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/8 teaspoon of edible color and continue to cook until you reach one sting consistency. Let's start making the jangiris now. Fill the batter into a Ziploc bag, seal it and cut the edge. Heat oil in a frying pan. The oil should be on medium heat. Start making jangiris as shown in the video. First, I checked if the batter consistency was perfect. It looks fine to me. I tried a few different shapes and now let's make the mini jangiris. Do not overcrowd the frying pan. Be very careful while squeezing the batter into the hot oil. Let them cook thoroughly for 1 to 2 minutes, then flip to the other side. Continue to fry until they are well cooked. Once done, drain the oil completely and immediately put them in the hot sugar syrup. The syrup was already ready. I checked the one sting consistency and turned off the stove. While the first batch is soaking, we can start making the next one. Again, squeeze the batter into the hot oil. Cook both sides well. Drain the oil and transfer it into the syrup. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Then remove and serve immediately. Traditionally, Jangiri is made by soaking ulunthu, urad dal or black gram without skin, along with rice and then grinding it to make a soft and fluffy batter. I actually bought this urad dal flour earlier to make murukku and I got this idea to try Jangiri with it for the first time. It turned out really well. Since it was my first time, squeezing the batter into the hot oil was not easy. But next time, I'm confident I can make perfect shaped jangiris. And that's it. Our delicious mini jangiri is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.